Alright, let's go ahead and test out the hydrophobic properties of the RAIN-X CERAMI-X glass cleaner and water repellent. As you can see, great beading action. Now to actually show you the true hydrophobic properties, let's cut them off. Let's see what happens. Currently I'm going about 35 miles per hour. You can see the water just sheeting from off of there. Turn the windshield wipers back on. That's what it looked like with the windshield wipers. Like we got us a winner. RAIN-X CERAMI-X glass cleaner and water repellent.